I'm so glad you're here. College financial planning is really made up of 4 steps. Number 1 is understanding what you're expected to pay. Number 2 is understanding what role will financial aid play in your funding of college. Number 3, are you on track for retirement? College planning is financial planning. And lastly, what's the best strategy for your family to pay? Well, in this report that I offer to families for free, you're going to understand 1 and 2. What are you expected to pay, and what role will financial aid play? So let me show you how to accurately fill out this form so you can get an accurate report. So let's go ahead and head over to my website at monicafelton.com. Here we are. Yes, I have shorter hair at this time. Let's go ahead and click on the College Report tab. You'll see college planning and then which price will you pay. Remember, I want you to be an informed purchaser of college. So here are all the questions that this report is going to answer. So yes, I want a personalized college report. Go ahead, click there, and then click Generate Report. What's going to pull up is a calculator, and this calculator is going to give us the information that you want. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our name, our email, and our phone number into contacts. Now, my student is in Arizona, so I'm going to use that. We have 3 years till college. She's a 9th grader. I'm going to put in her GPA, which at the time is a 3.9, and her SAT score, I'm just guessing because she's only a 9th grader. So here's your family size. We have a family of 4. Number in college will be 1. Now you're going to see these little information. If you don't understand, go ahead and click on that. It'll tell you exactly what to put in the box. We want to know the oldest parent, if you're married, single, divorced. And obviously, if you're divorced, you're going to put in different information. In a divorce situation, the custodial parent is the parent who has the most financial responsibility. You'll also add parents that if their child support received or child support paid. Now we move on to parents' income. I'm going to say one parent works for $125,000. Obviously, if both parents work, you'll put that in. Federal taxes paid, parents' total untaxed income, and then you'll put in the adjusted gross income. That actually is the most important number, is that adjusted gross income. Now we're going to look at assets. Again, hover over the icon here if you have any questions about what that is. And you'll see really liquid assets are everything with the exception of home equity. So I'm just going to give myself a $50,000 liquid assets. There is equity in my home. Parents or other real estate, if you have a second home or investment real estate, they're going to put in equity. And remember, equity is the difference between what the house is worth and what you owe. Now, this is new on the FAFSA. If you have a business or a farm, the net value of that must be included. Now we move to the student's income and assets. So again, if you have a student who's making more than $99,000, go ahead and put that in. But there's an income waiver for students up to, I believe it's $9,500. But again, so put their information in there. Untaxed income, students' federal tax paid, and students' liquid assets. Now remember, students' assets are those custodial accounts like a UTMA account or a UGMA account. Do not put 529s in here. 529s are a parent asset. So in my purposes, I'm not putting in anything for student. This also says other information, student siblings assets. So if you have other students, The state and the college is in. Now, this is important. One email will generate one report. So if you want to look at a specific school, you can pull that up here, like in Arizona, and then it'll give you all the different schools in Arizona. I'm going to choose Arizona State University, and then I'm going to push Create Report. After you create this report, you're going to receive an email. That's why your email must be accurate. So let me show you what that email looks like. The email you receive is going to come from CFS Web at web.collegiatefunding.solutions. That's where your report is going to be. Click here to review your college report, and then there's a small explanation of EFC, financial aid eligibility, and total family contribution. This is your report to do with it what you will, but if you do see that you need help from an expert, please don't hesitate to reach out. So click here on your report. This is what your report will review. In my next video, I'm going to share with you how to interpret this college planning report. Thanks.